going to learn about the story of Thirsty Crow, okay? Before that, first I will like to introduce myself. I am Indira Bhujel. I am from Kukudas Public School. This story is for all the classes to nursery to UKG, okay? So, the topic of my story is Thirsty Crow. Today we are going to learn about the story of Thirsty Crow. So you can see the pictures, very beautiful pictures of the Thirsty Crow over here. See? One day the crow was very thirsty. You know, one day the crow was very thirsty. One day the crow was very thirsty. He searched water here and there. The crow started searching water here and there. But he could not find a water. Finally, he saw what? Finally, the crow has saw what? But water was little. On that pot. Inside the pot, the water was little. The crow got an idea. You know, the crow got an idea. He started picking up the stone. And started putting inside the pot. He got an idea. Do you know? He got an idea and started picking up the stone and started putting inside the pot. Okay? He started putting inside the pot and the water came out. After putting the stone, the water came out. He drank water and flew away very happily. Okay? And after putting inside the pot, after putting stone inside the pot, the water came up. He drank water and flew away happily. You know that crow? One day the crow was very thirsty. Do you know, whenever you feel thirsty, we drink water. That crow was also feeling very thirsty. He was feeling very thirsty. You know, when you feel thirsty, we need to drink water. One day, the crow was feeling very thirsty. He searched water here and there. The crow started searching water here and there. But he could not find a water. Finally, he saw what? He saw a pot. But the water was very little inside the pot. He got an idea. The crow got an idea. He picked up the stone and put inside the pot. And the water came up. He drank water and flew away very happy.